This is our view, and if we circle around here, you can see Ninette. Hi, Ninette. This may be a little tricky today. I don't want to ride off the rim here. Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. Today we are in our last day at the Grand Canyon, and we're going to go on a bike ride around the rim. So,
not the whole rim.
Nope, not around the whole rim. We are just going to go down about probably 6-8 miles, and then we'll turn around and come back. The Grand Canyon, I don't know if I mentioned this in the other videos, because this will be our third video here, but the Grand Canyon is 10 miles across and 270 miles all the way through. So the river runs through that whole area. So yeah, we're not riding bikes for that whole time. So
a mile deep.
And it's a mile deep. So anyway, okay, so we're going to show you a little bit of the rim as we ride around the trail today, and we'll just kind of see how that all works out and see the views we get today. They say every day it looks a little different, and depending on where the sun is and the clouds and things like that. So that's what we're going to kind of check out today. So let's go have some fun.
Let's go.
All right, so we are starting off our ride. This is our view. And if we circle around here, you can see Ninette. Hi, Ninette. This may be a little tricky today. I don't want to ride off the rim here. But if we look over the side here, we can see the Grand Canyon. It's not every day you get to ride the bikes along Grand Canyon rim. Okay, we are going to go to the visitor center. So we are at one end of the bike path here. They actually have a train. And, discount price is about 70 bucks. So probably $100 round trip for each person, unless you've got the America Beautiful pass, and then you get it for half off. So, or some discount off, $35 I think she said. So anyway, they said it was about $70. They ride the train all up, which is pretty cool. And now they're up here for 3 hours, and then they get back on the train, and then they, ride back down to Williamsburg and get in their car and go home, so, or wherever they're going. So anyway, that's pretty cool. That looks really neat.
Can you see the train?
Yeah, I can see the train back there. Can you see the train? This is pretty cool. This is the bus stop for the train. Oh man, look at that view. It's pretty cool. we are over halfway through the trail, almost out to this point we're headed out to. And it's pretty easy going. It's not every day that you get to ride along the rim of the Grand Canyon. We are coming up to the end of our trip here as we come up to the edge of the rim. So far we've gone 3.92 miles.
How many?
3 point,
That's all?
I mean, what am I saying 3 in there? 9.2 miles.
Oh, jeez. A long 3 miles.
So, 9 miles. Yeah, I'm starting to feel it in my butt. All right, we are walking up to the edge of the rim here. It is a long ways down there. Yeah, look at that, boy. We're just looking straight down this canyon, all the way down. That big crack down there is where the Colorado is, so we can't quite see the Colorado from here, but that is pretty view. Well, we are at the watchtower, and this tower was built to overlook the Grand Canyon. All nice rock. They do have a gift shop inside and big windows inside you can look out to. The tower's closed, has been for 3 years, and they said it's closed because of fire hazard. So we are at the end of the trail. It's time to put the bikes away. This has been a fun day. Was it pretty cool riding our bikes next to the rim?
Yeah, it was really nice.
It was. I think I was making Ninette nervous.
Yes.
I'm recording, talking, and trying to drive at the same
people.
time, miss the people. These two girls we came up on, I had to turn it off because they were blocking the whole path, and I'm going, I'm on your left, right, and I end up, okay, I'm going down the middle, whatever. So sometimes people just don't know what to do. So, which is weird considering it's a bike trail. And there's a lot of other bikers out too. So they do rent bikes at the visitor centers, so you don't have to bring your bikes if you don't want to. But anyway, this has been fun. We are now going to be, for the next video, I think we'll be up into probably like Page, or what's that place up there? The big dam that you want to go to? That you wanted to go to? Lake Powell.
Oh, Lake Powell. No, that was a big dam.
So yeah, there's a big dam going across the Colorado. So
is that Hoover? Or?
No, it's Lake Powell.
That's
Hoover's downbound.
Lake Mead.
Yeah, it's down for Lake Mead. So anyway, it's been fun. There are a lot of dams on this river, so that's why it can get a little confusing. I told you in one of our videos how many dams when we were doing the prison at Yuma. They talked about how many dams across the Colorado River. So they said that the one ranger I was talking to today said that the river, it's brown, and she says it pretty much stays brown all the time because the flow stays pretty much the same, whether it's raining or flashing or anything. From here it all looks the same. So anyway, that's how it goes, I guess. It's just brown. So anyway, it's been a lot of fun. We'll catch you on the next video, and if we don't, then I guess maybe we'll catch you down the road somewhere. That'd be great. I messed that all up. Bye.